kind of nonsense? There's no way we are going to burn this village. There's no, I will not take it from, I can't see. There are certain things. Don't Sabinus Phil. Why are you talking to yourself? Are you not aware that the goat that Igwe bought for the Ofala sacrifice in 2 days' time, somebody went there and stole the goat? You are attacking somebody.
You be mumu.
Somebody stole the goat. No, somebody went there to steal the horse. They went to steal the goats now. You think you are doing me? We are going to burn this village. Oh. No, don't burn it down. Anybody will see. I don't care. Look. It is not me that is. Good night. No problem. Where are you going to now? See, go and send it to the chief priest that we must discover, we must find out the person that stole that goat. I'm marching down there now. You don't mean it. Oh, I don't mean it. It means I'm a goat now. I'm saying nonsense. No, I don't mean that. It means I'm stupid. I'm saying nonsense. Oh, no, it means the Igwe is mad. We're all fools. No. Let us go to the chief priest. It can happen to anybody. Let us go to the chief priest. Don't worry. Let us go. No problem. Very tall goat like this. Sabinu. Blue, very bluish in number. You can't see it anywhere. Blue goat. Innocent, poor goat like that. Nobody. I wonder what the SMO we say. You think you are doing me? Since I've been missing in this village. Oh, that's what the other day. One day, Mr. Period. Oh my God. I don't know. Sabinus. Under our watch, things like this will be happening. I don't even understand how this village, the goat will just miss like that. Under our watch. The only man that can see the ghost. Oh my God. We're here for serious business. Which one you ask? You want to hug us? Oh, so you don't know? I should remind you now. You don't know you're supposed to pull your slippers and kneel before the ghost. Oh, sorry. I should be telling you everything. With your grey hair. Ezemo, forgive us for Christ's sake now. We all are Christians.
You be mumu.
So what is the problem? Ezemo, you will live long. Ezemo, do you know that the goat that Igwe bought for the Opala sacrifice in 2 days' time, somebody went there to steal the goat? You think you are doing me? Are you serious? We're not here to play. It's a serious case now. And no problem. I'm not here to play now. The other day I was telling this man that Agidegba. I knew it. Oh, you knew it? No, I didn't say anything. I did not know. I just suspected. I did not know. You think you are doing me? That same boy. Agidegba. Where is Agidegba? Where is Agidegba? Go and fetch me Agidegba right now. I mean right now. This is an abomination. Well, abomination to burn. Let's go. No problem. Think you are doing me? You better speak for the wrath of the gods fall upon you. Speak now. You think you are doing me? You better open. I'm going to burn this your tire here. I will blow your kidney. Open your lip and talk. Where is the jolt? Agidegba, you better speak now. You know, you know me in this community. Even if the gods does not do anything, I will deal with you. Talk now. The goat. Hey, we don't chop him. Jesus is Lord. You are who? You chop one thing. You are who? Wait. This boy. Wait. No problem. Mazi. You remember that goat leg I brought to you 2 days ago? It is the leg of the goat that we are looking for. Mazi, okay. I said it. I have always known it since you bought Sabinusu. You remember that day I was eating jollof rice and goat meat? Yes. That you came to collect the goat meat. Hey, it's goat now. Things like that. You see your life? It can happen to anybody. Oh, yeah. Say things like that outside.
You be mumu.
So the both of you are culprits. Ezemo. You remember the day I brought this year for you and blood now? Yes. It is the head of the goat and the blood of the goat now. What? It was the gods. The gods had to drink blood. I only had to help the gods to eat the flesh. So it means that the gods are also involved in this. So. Agidegba, the ways of men are not the ways of God. Oh! It can happen to anybody.
I just brought it from Addis Ababa.
Hi guys, thank you very much for watching that video, guys. If you really enjoyed yourself watching that video, please like, share and comment on this video. Please, it's very important for you to like, share and comment on this video, please. And one important thing, keep subscribing to our YouTube channel. Thank you to all our 35,000 subscribers. Yeah, we got to 35,000 subscribers. Please keep subscribing. Tell a friend to come and subscribe to House of Lenzi on YouTube. Trust me, every week we are going to be giving you exclusive videos. We're going to be giving you mind-blowing videos that you are going to enjoy. And trust me, we're going to be introducing something very new. So possibly we are going to be dropping 2 videos every week. So just stay tuned, subscribe, and please follow us on Facebook at House of Lenzi. Download all our videos from our website www.houseoflenzi.com. Just download all our videos from the episode 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 to this present one. Just download, share to your friends. Just tell your friends to come and subscribe. Thank you to everybody supporting us. We want to say we love you all. Thank you and God bless you all.